Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to mirror your iPhone screen to your PC using a tool called rolling screen. Whether you want to share your screen for a presentation, record your gameplay, or just enjoy your iPhone on a bigger screen, this method is super simple. Let's get started. Head over to your browser and search for Lonely Screen. You will find their official website at lonelyscreen.com. Once you are there, click on the download button. The download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Lonely Screen on your PC. It's a straightforward process, and within a few minutes, you'll be ready to go. Let's launch the program. When you open it for the first time, you might see a security warning. Don't worry, just allow access so that Lonely Screen can function properly. Next, grab your iPhone and swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap on screen mirroring and you should see Lonely Screen appear as an option. Tap on it, and within seconds your iPhone screen will be mirrored to your PC. This tool will trick your iPhone into thinking it's connected to a MacBook or Apple TV. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your iPhone on a larger screen, whether you are giving a presentation, playing a game, or just want a bigger display. Lonely Screen makes it incredibly easy. You can even record your screen directly from your PC if you want to save or share your activity. To screen record your screen, click on the arrow at the far right side of your screen. Click on the record button to start your screen recording. Once you are done,